Okay, so made my test class, and again, I'm going to import the scanner class to get user inputs. Now, we are basically turning an old program into its own class, and that program was all about triangles and calculating the area when given the coordinates. So I'm going to go ahead and declare my data fields, and they're all going to be doubles. So for 3 points, for my 3 vertices, I'm going to have x1 through 3, y1 through 3, and an angle. So those are all the data fields we need for calculating our area. And I'm also going to go ahead and put a scanner object in here because I'm going to use my class methods to get user input. And real quick, I'm going to make a no argument constructor. Don't know. So back when we did this, I had all of the things I needed in the main method, but I'm going to split this up into their own methods. So I'm going to create a set point A method that is void because it's not going to return a value. And it asks the user for the x and y coordinates separately. And the only thing I need to change about what I wrote before is changing the double into a this. That way it will assign the new inputted values to the actual data field of the object. And I'm going to rinse and repeat for points B and C. So they're also going to have their own set point methods. And same deal, I need to change the double to this. Copy C. So I've almost set all of the things I need in order to calculate the function or the area. The last thing I need is to set the angle. So let me go back and copy that. So we were told to ask for the angle in degrees, but I'm going to add one more thing in here. In order to do the calculations I need with my angle, I need it to be in radians. So we're going to go ahead and convert that into radians by multiplying it by pi divided by 180. Okay, so now I have all of my data fields set. I'm going to go ahead and make my method to get the area. And this will return a double value. So if I go back to my original code, I needed to do 2 things. I needed to get the distance or the length of 2 sides using the distance formula. And I also needed to calculate the area, so we'll copy that too. So we're going to return 0.5 times B, C, and then the sine of our angle according to our formula. So if I go back up to my test class, I need to make my main method. I'm going to create a triangle object called test. I'm going to call my set angle. I'm going to call my set point A method. I'm going to call my set point B method. And then my set point C method. That will make sure we have all of our data fields covered in our, in our object. And then I'm also just going to go ahead and copy my original display method because I formatted it on purpose. And inside of my statement, I'm going to call my getArea function. So now when I run this, it's going to ask me for my angle. So I previously calculated the angle to be 41.987 degrees. I have 0, 0 for point A. I have 13, 0 for point B, and 10, 9 for point C. To get me the area is 58.5.